Welcome back to the channel. I have here pastry sheets. So these are thawed pastry sheet. I'm going to roll it out, and we are going to make two type of puffs. One is savory and one is sweet. So I have rolled out the sheet. Now let's go ahead and cut it into half. We're going to use half for savory and the other half for sweet version. So just keep aside the other one, and let's roll this one a little more further. Sprinkle a little flour, and then let's roll it out a little more thinner. I have here some almond butter. We are going to spread that all over. I have already applied some. You can even use peanut butter if you don't like to use almond butter. And let's go ahead and spread it all over the sheet. We're going to sprinkle some cardamom powder. This is just for little flavor. You can skip this step if you don't like cardamom. And then I have a mixture here made with some dates sliced into small pieces, powdered walnut, and some pecans. If you like it a little more sweet, you can add some honey or sugar to this mixture, and we're going to layer that over the almond butter. We are finished layering them. Now we are going to slowly roll it. Let's apply little water at the edge so that it sticks to the other end. Now we are going to slice them into small pieces. So our puffs are ready. Let's go ahead and layer it in our air fryer. And we're going to cook it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So our puffs are ready. You can see it's nice and crispy. Let's go ahead and serve it, and let's start making the filling for our savory puffs. We're going to cut this in a different way. So we're going to cut it lengthwise here. We're going to keep it inside a Ziploc until we make the filling for this. I have all the sheets ready here. So I'm going to put it inside a Ziploc so it doesn't dry out. So just keep it inside airtight. Let's go ahead and make the filling. Savory puff. I have here one avocado and one boiled potato, a few cilantro leaves, and one green chili. We're going to mix it all together with some salt as per taste and a teaspoon of taco seasoning. Mixture is ready. It should be really nice and smooth like this. Let's go ahead and fill our pastry sheets. So let's make a cone shape puffs. So just hold the sheet like this and then flip it over and press the edges. It'll look more or less like a samosa, and then we're going to fill it inside here. We are going to turn it around. Let's go and apply a little water at the edges so that it sticks, and then flip it over here like this, and then just apply a little water. That's one way of making it. So it'll look like this. Make sure that you seal all the open edges. The other way is just take the whole sheet and then apply the paste. Then fold it over and flip it over here. You can shape it whichever way you like, and then seal the edges. Flip it over. Make sure you seal it well, otherwise while it's cooking it will open up. So that's another one. So let's go ahead and fill the rest of the sheet. Go ahead and air fry. I'm sure you can cut this better in shape. Mine look a little funny, so please go ahead and make sure your sheet's a little more thick, broader in size than what I actually cut. My judgment was not really good, so make sure you cut it in a little more broader size so that the filling is easier to be filled. So we're going to air fry this at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Some extra masala here, the filling. I have 2 slices of wheat bread. We are going to fill that and we are going to air fry those 2. So first let's go ahead and roll it a little bit, and then we're going to fold it. First roll it with a rolling pin, make it flat, and then we'll roll it. Flatten the bread. Now we're going to fill it. Filled it. Now we are going to roll it, and make sure you stick the edges with water like how we did for the other ones. Roll is ready. Make sure to cut the edges with a knife. Now we're going to brush little olive oil to it. And we are going to air fry it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes.